Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. If this is your first time watching my video, then what's up? Thank you for clicking. I'm Elizabeth and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an empties, showing you guys some of the products I have used up, and then giving you a little mini review if I liked it, if I didn't like it, all that good stuff. So let's jump in. I have it right here. And I'm going to tell Anthony to give it to me one by one, mix it up. So I'm surprised. Some of these items have a lot of dust on it because I had it for a long time. So this should be interesting. Product number one. Should I close my eyes? I'll keep it open. So this product right here is the Deva Curl Melt Into Moisture, and it's the hair mask. Now I did have a bigger version of it, and I did a first impression of it. And then this was I bought it like a value set, and I brought this as the little mini hair mask. And I do like this hair mask a lot. I don't really care for the scent of it. It has like a Play-Doh scent, but the texture and the way that it makes my hair feel, I do like it a lot. My hair feels nice and moisturized. It doesn't feel dry. It's really pricey, so for that reason I wouldn't really buy it again. This is a good product if you're looking for something high-end, and if you got some Ulta coupons, some Ulta points, this is not a bad product.
Alright, just keep your eyes open. I'm gonna drop it into your hand.
So this is the main Krush Restore. I've mentioned this a couple of times on my videos on my channel. I really like this product a lot. It has some good ingredients in it. It really soothes when my hair feels itchy. It's a nice pick-me-up. I use this whole thing up already, and I'm going to buy another bottle of it. I have one, and then when that is done, I'm going to repurchase a new one. I just really like this product, and I think this is really a good product. I recommend it. I think it's essential for living. I really like this a lot. This product right here is the Rizos Curl Defining Cream. Now, I really like the way this product smells, and I like that it's a one and done. I do have a full size of this product, so I'm currently using that at the moment, but I really like the way this smells. It really does a good job of defining my curls. I did the product versus product with the L.U.S versus Rizos, and in that video, both sides looked really good, but this one left my hair a little bit more defined, so.
I like the way it smells.
Me too. It smells good.
Might as well give you this one.
Might as well. Same thing. This is a deep conditioner from the Rizos Curls line. It says deep conditioner, but it's basically the conditioner. I bought the trio kit, shampoo, conditioner, and curl defining cream. Now this smells really good. The whole brand does. It just did a good job of moisturizing my curls, and it wasn't bad. It was a good deep conditioner. A good conditioner rinse out. This is going to be a quick video. I can tell. This product is the Ouidad, and it's the Climate Control Feather Light Styling Cream. This product had a lot of slip, and that's because it had silicone in it. So I kind of yelled that. It had silicone in it. So for that reason, I had a second bottle of this, but I gave it away to a friend. If you're looking for something that is lightweight.
You gave silicone to a friend?
I know. I wasn't going to use it. Wow. You know what? Whatever you want to do.
For myself.
You know what, if somebody else wants to use it, be my guest. This product has a lot of slips, so if you're looking for that, it did a good job of maintaining my curls in humid weather. In that video that I did a review on this, I went outside and I tested it out in the natural environment, but I like the way it smells, has silicone in it, so for that reason I wouldn't really repurchase it again, but it wasn't a bad product. Urban Hydration. I bought this at Marshall's. And it's the Jamaican castor oil and avocado coconut oil co-wash and conditioner. You know what's crazy about this? Where's the ingredients? There's an ingredient here that I didn't see it listed here.
Really?
Really, Anthony, really.
What?
Let me see. Jamaican castor oil. It has that. Avocado. Jamaican castor oil and avocado. Does it have avocado? I don't see avocado. To be honest, I don't.
Does it have a scientific name?
It might. It might be aqua. I'm just kidding. It might be agua. No, I don't see avocado here. It might have a scientific name, but I don't know. So this product right here, I didn't really like it. I bought it at Marshall's for $5.99, so that's the reason why. And
that's the reason why you didn't like it, or that's the
no,
reason?
That's the reason. Wait, I'm gonna get there. I bought it at Marshall's because it was cheap, and I was like, I really wanted to try it out from Urban Hydration. First of all, the scent of it has like a grape medicine scent that I wasn't really a fan of. And then applying it through my hair as a co-wash and even as a conditioner, it didn't have a lot of slip. And it didn't leave my hair feeling moisturized as a regular conditioner. So it didn't really wow me in that sense. So that's why I wouldn't really repurchase it. I didn't really care for it. But Anthony, look at the avocado thing and let me know, because I don't see avocado there. Jamaican castor oil and avocado. I don't see avocado there.
There's not even coconut oil in here.
There's not even coconut oil? Yeah.
No, there's no coconut. It doesn't say. Yeah, it says coconut oil co-wash.
I'll have it up here so you guys can be the judge. Maybe I'm missing something, but that's what the ingredient list is looking like.
There's no coconut oil in here.
The mystery is on. Mystery's on.
I'm confused.
Next product. This product right here is by, okay, Raw Sugar, and it's a bounce back conditioner. Give me the other one too. These two products is from the Raw Sugar. This is the moisture smoothie, and this is the bounce back. They're basically the same thing, but like a little bit of ingredients are different here and there. This smells like carrots. This smells like a chocolate almond milk. It has like that almondly, that's not even a word, chocolatey almond scent. I really do like this conditioner as a drugstore conditioner, as a rinse out. It doesn't have a lot of slip, but I like that the texture is a little bit thick, that it nicely coats my hair. It doesn't leave it feeling dry. I prefer this scent more than this one. Yeah, I think this is a good conditioner. I found it at Target under $10, and I really do like this. I need to do it quick before the lighting changes.
No, bad throw.
Repeat, please. This is the Alikay Natural Moisturizing Black Soap. I really like the ingredients of this product. I did a first impression, like a full wash day first impression. I did a full wash. I did a first.
You did something.
I did a full wash day first impression routine using Alikay Naturals shampoo, hair mask, and a leave-in conditioner. She'll check that video out. But I really like this product. I wouldn't repurchase it just because the consistency of it. I liked it initially. It's very watery. There's really nothing there. But in that video, you saw that it was really watery. And I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. I don't know. I felt like, I don't know what I felt. It was just too liquidy. But I might get it again. That's the thing. I don't know. But I like it. The ingredients are good. I like the way it smells. And it did a good job of not stripping my hair out of oil and just really cleaning my scalp. So this is a good product. And I'm iffy if I want to repurchase it again. But I did like it. I did like it. Okay. Bounce Curl. And it's the clarifying shampoo. Now this product has really good ingredients and it's very gentle. So if you're looking for something that is like something that you can use all the time, like not daily but like weekly, I would recommend this. It's very gentle, but it did a good job of clarifying my hair. Not as clarifying as I would like, so that's the reason why I wouldn't really purchase it. It's just really gentle.
How old is that?
I shouldn't be smelling this. It's not old. It's not old.
Does it smell the same?
I smell Clorox. No. It has like a citrus kind of. Oh
yeah, it smells like very citrusy. Like it smells like the orange cleaner.
Yeah, like an orange cleaner.
Like a degreaser.
A degreaser. Okay, that's what it smells like. And the shampoo, keyword, non-stripping, very gentle. Okay, we got the big one right here. So this is the Genedor Beauty, and it's the, I know these products, but I forget it like right there. It's a leave-in conditioning treatment. Now, I'm going to wash my hair right now. That's why it's looking a little bit crazy. It's not looking crazy. This looks all right. This part looks crazy. But I'm going to wash my hair, and I'm going to finish up the rest of this product right here. You can't really see it, but it's like 1 or 2 time use. But I wanted to include it in this because once I finish it, I need to recycle my stuff. With this product, this is my second jar of this. And I really do like it. Now the only thing is I'm iffy if I would repurchase it again. Really defines my curls. It really defines my curls, but at least it's looking flat for a stay. Yeah, I like it. It has a very sweet bakery, like very sweet scent. Doesn't leave your hair feeling dry. The only thing is that when you try to reapply it, it's kind of hard to do that because it has like a layer on top of it. So when you try to apply water, it's like, no, you can't apply water on top of this. So that's kind of weird. You have to really work around it. But when you do, your hair is going to look really defined and it's very long lasting. That's what I find. But I'm not too sure if I'm going to repurchase it just because I've been trying out so many new products and it took me a long time to finish this second bottle up. I kind of forgot about it. But when I do use it, I'm like, okay, I can see why I do like it just because my curls are really defined. Right now, that's what I have in my hair. And I don't know, it's just really defined, but it's kind of flat at the same time. But I really like this product. I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to use this today. You have to be careful when you throw stuff. I might miss. Both these products are from L.U.S. Love Your Curls. And it's the curly all-in-one, and it's the conditioner. I like the way these products smells. It's a little bit strong, but it has a very floral perfume scent. If you know the fragrance Flower by Kenzo, it smells just like that. I really like the conditioner from this line. I really like it a lot. It was easy to detangle in my hair. My hair felt really nice after I used it. And then with this all-in-one complete, I'm not sure if I would repurchase the big size of it. This product left my hair looking more fluffy. It was the Rizos curls that left my hair looking more defined.
What's the last one?
Let me guess. Let me guess. I don't know what's in there. Give me a hint. What category?
No hint.
No hint? How can I say something? What products have I used up? Can I get a hint? Can I get the first letter?
Any hint would be too easy.
How big is it? Tell me the size of it.
I'm not going to tell you that. I'll tell you the scent.
Okay. Oh, I can do that. Give me the scent. I'll get it quick.
Has a lemon.
Lemon? That doesn't sound good. Wait. Lemon. Lemon. I'm smelling it. I'm smelling it right now. Lemon. Give me a hint. Ooh, don't give me a hint.
Do you want me to give you a hint and you'll get the answer?
No, I want to be confused.
Starts with a B.
A B? Baby shark.
Okay.
B. 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 Aggressive.
The brand starts with an A.
An A? And then you said there's a B?
That's the B is the product name.
The B is the product
Part
name.
of the product name. The A is the product brand.
Alikay Naturals? Oh! All you gotta do is that. That glass. Oh, I know what that is. That's a Natty Naturals. But it starts... That's Natty Naturals for real. I know that one. I know it's the one that I didn't like, and I use it as a co-wash. You can use a leave-in, co-wash, or something like that. It's a glass container.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't throw this at you. That's glass.
Yeah, see? nattynaturals.com.
Okay.
I knew it. So this product is the Bohemian Collection by All Things Au Naturel, and it's a leave-in conditioner, lemongrass. Now this product, I initially bought it to use it as a leave-in conditioner. I tried it out that way. I didn't really like it at all like that. It wasn't bad, but I didn't like it. Okay, I'll just say that. I didn't like it.
It's gel-like.
It's very gel-like. It's like that aloe vera, like how it's kind of like slimy-ish? Not slimy.
Yeah, slippy and sticky.
Yeah, slippy and sticky, what Anthony said. So instead of using it as a leave-in conditioner, on the back it says that you can use it as a pre-poo. And as a pre-poo, this thing was so good. It had a lot of slip. I was able to detangle my hair, and it was really good as a pre-poo. So yeah, if you're looking for a pre-poo, I think this is a really good one. The ingredients are bomb. This is good as a pre-poo, so that's the reason why I like it. I wouldn't really repurchase it again just because I'm not a big fan of pre-pooing, but when I do, I did like this one. Is that it? Yes, that is.
It's a dirty box.
That is a dirty box. Whatever. So that's pretty much it. Those are my empties for May 2019. It's really late. Not really. It's 6:44 p.m. So it's time to go to bed. I'm just kidding, but I'm tired. But that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys in this video. Let me know what products you have used up this month, or you have used up that you want to share. If there's any videos you want to see next from me, if you want to see more follow me's, if you want to see more first impressions, let me know the product and let me know what other videos, because I need some ideas, man. I need some ideas. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Fantastic.